Hi, this is Sandesh here at iPlanet, and I welcome all our viewers once more for another video session that we're going to do. Today, I will be talking about this new beautiful device that we have here, which is the HomePod. Right? As you all know, HomePod has been released by Apple, and it is a breakthrough speaker which has some amazing sound. Right? Together with Apple Music and Siri, it creates a very wonderful new experience in how you can listen to music. Right, and it's an intelligent assistant too, right, where you can get a lot of your day-to-day tasks or updates all delivered to you right from this beautiful, wonderful device. Right, so folks, remember the first thing when you're setting up a HomePod, remember you need an iPhone, an iPod or an iPad which supports the latest OS, right, whether it's iPhone iOS 13 or iPad OS. Right, it does not work on the Mac. You can use the HomeKit app that's there, the home application, to set up your HomePod. And once you set up the HomePod, you can experience the wonders that is there of the HomePod in terms of how it delivers great music. The HomePod is also a great musicologist because it knows different artists. It has a repository of over 2 million artists, and you can access 60 million songs from Apple Music. So before I get into how that Siri and how HomePod works, I'd like to give you a little brief on the HomePod itself. Right, as you can see, wonderful design. Right, very beautiful design. It's got a wire mesh design that aesthetically looks really beautiful. There is an A8 chip in this, which is the biggest brain in a speaker. That's what Apple claims. Right, it gives the great audio performance that we talk about. Right, it has 6 microphone array mics all around this inside this mesh wiring. Right, and this is there simply to pick up the audio of the user despite music playing. Right, so wherever you are in the room, right, if you call out Siri, it will actually hear what you're saying, and then accordingly, based on your question, it will release give out the information. And it also has 7 beam forming tweeter arrays, right, which are placed in such a way that the sound disperses all across the room really well, and it gives you high quality fidelity sound and audio. Right, so this is basically the design of the HomePod, a wonderful new innovation from Apple. Comes in 2 colors, white and space gray. Right, and it retails at 9,900 rupees. 9,900. Now let's start off the interesting part with the HomePod. I've already set up the HomePod with Siri and all of that. So let's start off. Hey Siri, play Badshah. So you can see that Siri is already activating.
Alright, here's a personalized station of Badshah.
So if you look here, you can see that wonderful little thing. So you have a plus or minus button. Hey Siri, can you decrease the volume by 10%? Hey Siri, can you turn the volume up all up? Hey Siri, turn the volume up to 50%. So you can see there, with the help of Siri, I'm able to manually, or rather control the music. Right? Hey Siri, can you play an Bollywood station?
Now playing Bollywood radio.
Hey Siri, which song is this?
You're listening to Hindustani by Shankar Mahadevan and Udit Narayan.
Hey Siri, when was this song released?
Hindustani by Shankar Mahadevan and Udit Narayan was released on the 13th of February 2020.
Hey Siri, can you play some soothing music?
Sure, here's a personalized station of chill songs.
So folks, there you have it. You saw how with the help of Apple Music, which is connected through the HomePod. We are able to play different tracks, right? I was able to ask Siri to tell me the artist's name and which song this. It has also given me a little bit of information. So this is what Siri can do in terms of the the Siri and HomePod can do in terms of the music aspect. Now let's look at how Siri can help you as an assistant, right? Siri, stop the music. Right, so I was talking about how Siri can be and HomePod can be your intelligent assistant. Let's try some other things with Siri and HomePod today. Hey Siri, is it gonna rain today?
It will probably rain in the afternoon starting at 3 p.m. with rain continuing into the late night tomorrow.
Hey Siri, I want to travel to the Kempegowda International Airport. How far is it from here?
One moment, the fastest route to Kempegowda International Airport, Bengaluru is via NH44. Traffic is moderate, so it should take 1 hour and 14 minutes.
Hey Siri, who is the current Prime Minister of Great Britain?
The current Prime Minister of the United Kingdom is Boris Johnson since the 24th of July 2019.
Hey Siri, which is the fastest route to Chennai?
The fastest route to Chennai is via NH48. Traffic is light, so it should take 5 hours and 28 minutes.
So there you have it, folks. You know, there's a lot of things that you can explore with Siri and HomePod, right? Siri is your assistant, intelligent assistant, which is they're in most of Apple devices. And with the help of HomePod, you can do a lot of tasks. You can set up your calendar. You can set up a reminder. You can call a loved one. You can send a message to a loved one. Right, all of these things are possible with the help of the HomePod and Siri, which is your intelligent assistant. So all in all, a very wonderful product, an amazing breakthrough speaker that Apple has designed. Right, available at all our iPlanet stores. Right, I would request you to walk in and get a demo of this beautiful product because this is really amazing. Thank you.